Greetings, Daniels here. I made the first commit to this GitHub repo 17 minutes ago, and I can say that with a little bit of fussing and code creation, I have now created a database, and I believe I'm going to go ahead and stop this just for proof of sanity for myself that this code works. And let's get an outline here. Outline, make that big. All right, so here are the functions that have already been created. And now let's run this code. Let's start debugging. Okay, and let's go to this URL. All right, so the URL works. Well, not found, but we're making some progress, believe it or not, because if I go to docs, you'll see that it does work. All right, so now I have a post. I have two posts, but I don't have a get. I have a register user, which is just a string. So I'm going to try it out. I'm going to create a new string here. We'll call it pizza boy. And when I click on execute, I got a response 200. And so it's all successful. Now we go back to the database. Click on that, and I'm going to right click open with SQLite viewer, and if all went well, I should have a user. Refresh. I should have a user. I guess I don't have a user, so Control B. Name, I'm refreshing. Search the tables. Okay, the table should include boy. Nothing comes up in that. Pizza. No. Nothing. Okay, so it looks like my tables have been created. Name, size, topping, orders, ID, user ID, and pizza ID. But I don't have search the column. We'll say pizza. Nothing. 0 records. All right, so my post was a 200. And it should have worked. So let's reset, and we'll try one more. A register user. Okay, so user schema. Register. All right, so let's go back and make sure register is not in here, but user should be under user. Try it out, and we'll try it one more time. Name is hello, and execute. Name hello, 800 register, and we go back, refresh, and we have nothing. So our registered user hello or pizza boy did not show up, which means we have another problem. So thanks for watching and happy computing.